Then for Japan, we have PMDA as our regulatory authority. Just neglect this. This is very important. This is very important. For post marketing cases and for clinical trial cases, what I would suggest is first focus on this post marketing one, then go and jump in clinical trial wale cases. So when the drug gets approved in the market, post marketing phase 4, उसमें अगर कोई भी साइड इफेक्ट आता है, उसमें अगर कोई एडवर्स इवेंट आता है, and if that adverse event suppose has a seriousness criteria of fatal or death, suppose कोई दवाई ली and directly death of the patient occurred, whether that particular event was unlabeled or labeled, CCDS के अंदर अगर वो unlabeled था, then 15 days plus effects, within 15 days plus effects, ये timeline है. For labeled event, it is 15 days, within 15 calendar days and not working days. Just remember this. Other serious, suppose hospitalization वगैरह seriousness criteria होगा तो then again unlabeled and labeled के लिए 15 days and 30 days respectively. For non-serious cases, just remember this, for non-serious labeled event, all right, it is non-reportable. It मतलब रिपोर्ट नहीं करना है रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी को. देयर इज नो नीड टू रिपोर्ट बिकॉज दैट पर्टिकुलर इवेंट वाज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नॉन सीरियस, it was not meeting any of the 6 seriousness criteria, and apart from that it was also labeled in the CCDS. So it was already mentioned by the pharmaceutical company that this event might occur in that patient. It is labeled event. हमें पता है उसके बारे में that this event might occur. The drug has the potential to show that side effect. So for such cases, the ICSR report is non-reportable to the regulatory authority. There is no need to report that ICSR to the concerned regulatory authority, which is PMDA for Japan. And for unlabeled, we have to do periodic reporting. Now, what is periodic reporting? I will not go into depth of periodic reporting, but just remember within, at the intervals of 3 months or 6 months, you have to report that particular, ICSR, such ICSRs to the PMDA. Similarly, for clinical trials, if a particular adverse event is fatal or life-threatening, but it is labeled, then 15 calendar days के within हमें इसको report करना है, plus periodic reporting should also be done per 6 months. So हर 6 months के अंदर हमें एक bulk of reports submit करने हैं. Bulk of such reports where the event is or the ICSR is fatal plus the events are labeled. All right. For unlabeled, it is 7 days plus periodic report once every 6 months. And other serious, unlabeled 15 days, labeled periodic reports once per 6 months.